Okay, so there is the news going up and about Corporate Affairs Commission delisting 100,000 companies, which is very true. But I won't call it a net threat because according to the law, according to Section 692 of CAMA, yes, the Corporate Affairs Commission have the power, the prerogative to delist companies, to delist default companies where they have been inactive for 10 years or they have not commenced business within 10 years. The Corporate Affairs Commission has the power to delist such companies. A client of mine called and was like, oh, I saw this, am I going to be delisted and all that? And I said, oh, not every company, that is what you should know, not every company is going to be affected by the corporate affairs decisions. These 100,000 companies that are going to be listed is not just any random companies. I refer to carrying on the obligations of the Corporate Affairs Commission. And which particular obligation is that? That is the filing of the annual returns. That's why I always emphasize that you file your annual returns. You can check my previous videos where I did everything about annual returns. Yes. So a company that has failed to file annual returns will be delisted. And not just any company. If your company fails to file annual returns within 10 years, we are going to fall into this category of 100,000 companies that is going to be delisted. So your annual returns has not been filed for 10 years. You should start contacting a lawyer to file that for you so that your company will not be delisted from the CAC's registry. And this affects companies, registered businesses, registered business name, ventures. And how will this trade be carried out? The names of the company will be published in the Corporate Affairs Commission website. And within 4 weeks of publication, then you should update your company by filing the annual returns up to the 10 years that is there and then get listed back to the Corporate Affairs Commission. So whereas within 4 weeks of this publication you failed to actually carry out that annual return filing, you are going to be delisted. Okay, so what is the consequences? Consequences is that you will be delisted from the registry. Nobody can conduct a corporate search and find your company there. Your company will be nowhere to be found. You can however apply for relisting. If you don't apply for release within 10 years, all companies' assets, everything that the companies own, will go to the government. However, if your company has the ability, even after relisting, your company is still going to bear the liabilities. The directors, the shareholders are still going to bear the liabilities that occur with your company. It's still going to bear. The listing does not absolve the company from bearing liabilities. So that is it for the 100,000 companies that are going to be delisted. It's not a net trade, but it has legal backing. It's also a way to also get revenue. Imagine 100,000 companies, okay, rushing in to file and then paying him their annual returns, filing in, even if it is £1 times 100,000 companies, you know how much that is going to be. But whether or not it's the way of generating revenue, you are the one that know that your business is important to you. So get your annual returns filed up to date. Thank you once again. My name remains Adeyemi Adlan. You can call me Eliza.